guys, I am arriving at Abarth because, yeah, we've got to check engine light. Navigate to the applications, warning guidance, engine system malfunction, and a very demanding message. Have the vehicle checked by dealer immediately. Engine system malfunction. Wish me luck. We're going in. Here she is. It's gonna have to leave her for a while and see what the magicians at the Fiat and Abarth garage can do. Let's hope they can sort it out. My baby depends on you guys. What's going on, guys? So I am just coming back to collect my Spider. The Abarth guys have done their magic and we're gonna go collect it, get the key obviously. The reason I'm sweaty is because I've just cycled from work. Anyways, we're at the Abarth Service Centre. Let's go in and find out what's happening. As you were saying, that's okay. What you so, whilst the guys don't really want to go on camera and explain how they've performed their magicianry on my car fixing it, shout out to Owen and Tim, who have always looked after me and represented Abarth FCA Group extremely well. Peace. So there you have it. The car is sorted. I'm walking to it now. Can't wait to get it home. And there's an Abarth event this afternoon. Should be good. So the car is back, and I can't explain to you how thankful I am to Abarth Marylebone, well, Battersea really, service centre for sorting my car out. Yeah, once again, massive thank you. I am going to be going for a bit of a hoon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I suggest you do the same. Alright, peace.
You thought I'd gone, hadn't you? It's revving time. See y'all in the next video. Peace!
Alright, I had my fun. So what's the next video, I hear you ask? No, I know you didn't, but anyway, what is the next video?
BMC.